In this video, we'll show you how to fix this issue when Facebook is not showing any new posts anymore on your newsfeed or home screen. This might happen for several reasons. But first, let's go ahead and force quit the app and then relaunch it. This will quickly restart the app. And if there is still no new post, make sure you're using a fast and stable internet connection. If you want, you can also restart your router once. But there is another trick on Facebook settings that you can try. So let's open the app. From menu, go to settings, scroll down to tab bar, and from there to customize the tab option. If there is any option called feeds in here, just tap on the arrow and then pin this tab to your newsfeed. If you force quit the app after that and then open it once again, you'll see a feed tab on your newsfeed where all the latest posts will appear. If that didn't even help, sometimes stored app cache and cookies might cause this problem. So just open settings on your device. From there to apps, just search for Facebook. Go to the storage and clear cache for the app. Apart from that, outdated app can also cause the same problem. So from Play Store, you can search for Facebook, and if there is any update available, you can just install it to your device. Otherwise, you can just uninstall the app, and then once again, just go ahead, reinstall it. And then just log into your account, and hopefully, you will see newer and updated posts on your newsfeed once again. Thanks for watching.